Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homeopathy the Healing Power. Friends, in today's video we are going to study homeopathic medicine, that is Plantago Major. Plantago works as a magic in cases of toothache. Also it is useful in number of diseases. For this we have to know the exact pathogenesis and symptomatology of Plantago. Friends, would you like to increase your knowledge in homeopathic Matra Medica? I am sure you would like to. For this, you have to watch the video till the end and you have to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we post videos on homeopathic medicines. So, let's get started. Plantago Major. Plantago plants grow in Europe, Japan, North America. In India, it grows in Assam, Himalayas and Konkan. Commonly, this medicine is called as plantain, ribgrass, waybrede, and in Hindi, it is called as lahuria. It belongs to the family Plantaginaceae and the prover of this medicine is Alfred Heath. Homeopathic mother tincture is prepared from the whole plant when it comes to flower. Sphere of action. Plantago basically acts on nerves and it produces neurologic conditions. Pathogenesis. By acting on nerves, it produces irritation of nerves, which results in neuralgia, which produces shooting, digging and boring type of pain. Plantago has its special action in cases of toothache, earache and enuresis. Friends, now let's see the active principles of Plantago Major. The mother tincture of Plantago contains iridoids, acubin, flavonoids, tannins, plant acids and mucilage. All these contents have analgesic, antibacterial, anti-ulcerogenic, anti-inflammatory action. Also, they have immune modulating activity, antiviral and anti-carcinogenic activity on our body. Plantago also has depurative action on our body. Now friends, what does depurative mean? Depurative means the herbs that are considered to have purifying and detoxifying effect on our body. And so, Plantago has purifying and detoxifying effect on our body. Now let's see the symptomatology of Plantago. Toothache. In Plantago, there is boring, digging and shooting type of toothache. Along with toothache, there is also earache present. That is otalgia with toothache, with presence of salivation during attack of toothache. These two symptoms are most important indication of Plantago. These are the key notes of Plantago medicine in toothache. The pain shoots, or we can say the pain plays between teeth and ear. This is also a strong indication of Plantago toothache. There is a peculiar sensation during toothache, that is, patient feels sometimes the tooth feels elongated. This is also the keynote of this medicine. Plantago can be used in patients who have hollow teeth due to caries of teeth. Plantago can be applied externally in tinctures and can be given internally to get good results. Plantago is also indicated in cases where there is a sharp pain in eyes as an reflex from decayed teeth, or this sharp pain in eyes is also due to inflammation of middle ear. This toothache is aggravated by walking in cold air and by contact. Plantago in nocturnal enuresis of children. Plantago is suited for nocturnal enuresis of children when the cause is laxity of sphincter, that is looseness of the sphincter. Here patient passes the urine during a sleep because there is a pressure on the weak sphincter. Plantago is also useful medicine in cases of skin complaints, especially when there is itching and eruption. Plantago is specially suited to erysipelatous inflammatory condition of skin. Plantago in wound healing. Plantago is well indicated medicine in wound healing, where there is a special symptom of this medicine, that is, along with the wound there is a presence of painful swelling with erysipelatous inflammation around the affected part. At this condition, when Plantago applied gives wonderful results. Plantago is also indicated in conditions like depression and insomnia of patients who have an addiction of tobacco. Mind of Plantago patient. Patient is irritable, impatient with restless mood. There is also great mental prostration which is aggravated due to mental exertion, which causes great feeling of anxiety. Sometimes patient is also dull with confusion of thoughts. So friends, this is the video on Plantago. I am sure this video will be an eye-opener for you all that Plantago not only cures toothache but also it cures wound healing, nocturnal enuresis. On that note, subscribe the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video. Meet you soon in a next video. Till then, thank you for watching.